2024, December 23rd. HOWO Sinotruk NX371 horsepower NX cabin tractor, which is a new cabin. .371 horsepower engine, new silencer. This big tank for 1,000 liter extra tank. You can see many parts still have the Sinotruk logo on it because it's the original one, and this new gearbox, new air reservoir, new battery, new type mud guide. But inside is refurbished. The wire and the hose are new. Original tank, new, 600 liter. This is the other side of the engine, 371 horsepower. And you can see it's different from HOWO 7 cabin because the NX cabin requires this type of the 371 horsepower. The arrangement of this turbocharger is a little different. It's in the middle. Let's check this new cabin. Electric window motor, and this is a right-hand drive. Inside, everything, of course, is new. It's a new cabin. Everything new. It's a 12-speed forward and 2-speed reverse. The bed.